Welcome to ValMiDi Labs. My name is Demix. I am a 3D printer located in Los Angeles County. I've been a 3D printer since 2019. I got my first 3D printer as a Christmas gift back in 2019, this Ender 3. This is just an introduction video, so I'll do a detailed video about my whole workspace and my filament storage and all that good stuff in another video. But yeah, I really should have created a channel back in 2019. I already had another YouTube channel for something different prior to that. So I am comfortable with making videos, but just never did. And I decided to start actually making content here on YouTube, really just to hold myself accountable. The last year, I kind of failed achieving certain goals with expanding my business and learning modeling and things of that nature. And I feel like if I document it and it'll hold me accountable to reach those goals, right? I do design some things in tinkercad. I'm not great at it, but I've been able to do some custom jobs where I design specific things for customers and been able to sell that. The main thing that I sell over the last few years are 3D printed lithopane night lights. The big project that I'm working on right now is just 3D printing a bookmark using hueforge, based off the book covers of every single book that I'm reading in 2025. I'm actually on book 10, so far I have 10 bookmarks. But I'll make videos showing all of that in the process and those type of things and other projects that I'm trying to get into. But the main thing I'm trying to do with this channel is also not only show how I'm going to try to grow the business, right? And again, there's so many of us doing that on YouTube. There's so many of us trying to show our growth and things of that nature, but I want to show how I'm going to try to do it, and hopefully it is unique. I think it's unique, but that could just be me being biased. And the other thing is to document my journey on learning Blender. That's a thing that I've had on my list to do. I tried learning Blender a few years, but more for 3D design versus making 3D models to print with 3D printing in mind. So we'll see how that goes. I don't remember anything that I learned from that donut video. And if you've done Blender, you know what donut video I'm talking about. But yeah, there's quite a few things. And, I tried learning Python a few years ago and I still know some of that stuff, but I want to get into designing some projects that have coding in mind as well to try to expand on that. I am a girl dad. I am someone who loves Lego. I love Hot Wheels. I love pop culture, movies, hip hop. I am someone who's trying to get back into shape. I have someone who lost 130 pounds at one point and gone up and down over the last few years. And I'm currently on a back down projection. But that's just a little bit about myself. I'm very open about everything. There's very few things that I will not talk about in general or in life. I'm going to start posting more videos too on TikTok. I have a TikTok account there for ValMiDi Labs that I haven't posted in a few years. I primarily use my personal account, Demix, Demics, on there. And I talk about a magnitude of things on there. So, if you're interested in any of the things I just talked about, I talk about some of those things on there. But I hope you stay and stick around. And ValMiDi Labs. The reason it's called ValMiDi Labs is my daughter's name is Valerie. My real name is Miguel, and then my partner's name is Diane. So took the first few letters out of each of our names to make it a family thing. ValMiDi Labs, and then we use a panda as the logo, just because for whatever reason I got into pandas when we found out we were having a little girl, and I just said my little panda, my little panda. So I try to incorporate panda imagery in everything that I do now. And purple as well, because that's her favorite color, in a lot of the stuff that I do. And one of the things I plan on doing with this workshop, which I'll talk about in another video, is kind of making everything like a purple scheme, just to represent my daughter and the stuff that I'm doing. But that's a whole other video. But yes, so welcome. I hope you guys stick around, follow, comment on anything you guys like to comment. If there's any ideas that you want to share, I appreciate it. But yeah, let's start this journey together. I appreciate you.